how to delete search history on Walmart app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your search history on the Walmart app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first I'm gonna open my Walmart app and show you my search history. So if I tap on the search bar, here you can see my search history. Now to delete this search history, close the Walmart app, press and hold the Walmart icon. Then here tap on the eye icon and you will be taken to the Walmart's app info. Now here tap on storage. In storage tap on clear data. Then tap on OK. Now wait for the data to be cleared, and after the data is cleared, open your Walmart app. Tap on sign in. Enter here your email and password and tap on sign in. So now if I tap on my search bar here, and here you can see that the search history is deleted. So this is how you can delete search history on the Walmart app. Thanks for watching.